What happens when you hand over $100,000, even if it's fake, to an AI with zero emotional intelligence and way too much confidence? I let ChatGPT control my investment portfolio for 5 days straight. It humbled me, glitched out, messed up stock prices, and taught me more than any finance course ever could. So did I walk away a fake millionaire? Or with fake regret? Let's just say it didn't go the way I expected. And if you've ever thought about trusting AI with your money, you'll want to see this. Day 1. Reality check. Using Investopedia's paper trading platform, I got $100,000 of fake money to play with. My first move? Straight to ChatGPT. See, I believed in ChatGPT like it was my financial soulmate. So I asked it to turn my $100,000 into $1 million in 5 days. ChatGPT didn't hold back. It roasted me gently and reminded me that math still exists. Humbled, I set a more realistic goal. Just beat my own human instincts. It gave me a 5-day plan. I promised to follow it. But can I really resist being human? Day 2, the first clash. Day 2, only one stock order went through. Bloom Energy BE. But here's where things started to unravel. ChatGPT mixed up prices and gave me a wrong exit plan. While I scrambled to fix it, BE dropped like a rock. And then came our first argument. ChatGPT told me to sell immediately. I, being the emotional creature I am, refused. I believed in a heroic comeback that never came. By the end of day 2, I added Oracle, an emerging markets ETF, and Tesla options. Day 3, strategy upgrade. I got smarter. I copied my full portfolio into ChatGPT to prevent price mix-ups. That actually worked, but I still ignored some advice. I only sold 100 shares of BE, hoping the rest would recover. Then I bought Tesla options again, this time with new contracts. Oracle got sold, more BE and Tesla were added. Net result, less loss than day 2, but still in the red. Trust issues with AI, unresolved. Day 4, trust broken again. Day 4 started with adjustments. ChatGPT told me to sell off BE and my ETF and buy into new picks. NVIDIA options, Riot, and a semiconductor ETF. Sounds smart, right? Except, it confused the dates again. That's when my blind trust in AI cracked. Even with GPT-4, if you don't feed it correct data, it'll confidently lead you off a cliff. Big lesson, AI needs a babysitter. Also, not sure why, but ChatGPT had a weird obsession with Tesla options, like daily. Once I gave it the correct day and data, it actually gave solid advice, which I finally followed. Day 5, teamwork, sort of. By day 5, we were finally in sync. I double-checked its inputs, corrected its assumptions, and followed its exit plan. We worked like a team, sort of. I was the emotional manager. GPT was the logical engine. And finally, we saw a profitable day. As you can see in the trading history, the last few trades were winners. But early mistakes, especially with BE, cost me. Final result? $2,000 down. But considering I started this challenge with zero trading experience, a fake $1 million dream, and an AI that kept pushing Tesla, I'll call that a win in disguise. If I did this all over again with what I know now, I'm pretty confident I'd end in the green. This whole challenge taught me 3 big things. ChatGPT can be a great co-pilot, not an autopilot. Your emotions will betray you, but GPT won't. Paper trading on platforms like Investopedia is an amazing sandbox if you're new to investing. So, would I do this again? Absolutely. But next time, with better planning and a full month of fake trades to learn the ropes. If you're new to trading, this challenge taught me more than 10 hours of YouTube finance tutorials. If you're curious, start your own challenge, and let me know how it goes. Until then, trust AI but verify. If you enjoyed this Real Talk experiment, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want real experiments with AI, not just hype, and drop a comment. What should I let ChatGPT control next? My schedule? My dating life? I'm game. Are you?